Okay, y'all, I'm gonna make a pot roast. I have not made pot roast in a very long time, so I don't know how this gonna come out. I forgot some onions and I forgot some beef broth. So, I don't know how it's gonna come out. It still should be good, because I know how to cook. But I'm just saying that. So we want to make some pot roast, potatoes, carrots, and some, what is this? Celery. I should have got a different one. That one look kind of, I don't know. Anyways, y'all, let's get to cooking, and I am cooking it in my my mini crock pot. So let's cook.
Seems like every time you feel like you can't have me enough, I'm the only one on earth who can't stand to be loved. Trying to understand what made me numb, wondering if I ever should've gave you up. And maybe when I was young I was deprived of romance. I was the kid that wished life was a slow dance. Now I wanna be alone, and every time you call me I ignore my phone. My friends try to tell me that you were the one. Couldn't appreciate you, what would you have done? You can do better than me. I wish you had never met me. Still got shampoo in my shower, still got school books in my car. Talk to my mom and you ain't too far. Tempted to see it but I know it's wrong. My picture in your makeup kit, wondering now who you wake up with. And all that I can make of this is I'm just doing the same old shit. Cause I've been doing this for way too long. These feelings that I got are way too strong. You gave me everything and I moved on, and all I can listen to now is slow songs. I'm not asking you to come back, I'm not asking for another chance. I just wanted to say that I was wrong, cause all I can listen to now is slow songs. I just wanna hear anything other than what's real, cause I don't think these wounds are the kind that heal. I'll never forgive myself if the best one I had ends up with someone else. I remember the day that I was walking you out, trying to ignore everything I knew I missed. I remember the taste of your tears in my mouth, they were streaming down your face the last time we kissed. This tattoo on my leg is just a joke to them. Maybe they never had someone who's close to them, close to them. Well, maybe we spend more time than we're supposed to spend. Either way, I always chose you over them, over them. I meet these girls, they'll never know me like you did. I see your friends, they try to tell me who you're with. I tried to tell them that I just don't give a shit. I always feel alone no matter who I'm with. Cause I've been doing this for way too long. These feelings that I got are way too strong. You gave me everything and I moved on, and all I can listen to now is slow songs. I'm not asking you to come back, I'm not asking for another chance. I just wanted to say that I was wrong, cause all I can listen to now is slow songs. Cause I've been doing this for way too long. These feelings that I got are way too strong. You gave me everything and I moved on, and all I can listen to now is slow songs. I'm not asking you to come back, I'm not asking for another chance. I just wanted to say that I was wrong, cause all I can listen to now is slow songs.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all
Okay, yeah, it is getting done. The meat is so tender. I put a lot of potatoes because I love potatoes. So we got quite a few of those in there. And we put a little bit of seasoning on top and then mix it all in. Yeah, it's so good. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, it's good. I just need a little more salt on it and we'll be good. We'll be good. It's okay. It's okay. It's too much. It's too many potatoes, but it is okay, honey. I love potatoes. That's why I put a lot in them because I love me some potatoes. Especially the golden ones. The golden ones taste so much better than the red ones and the russet ones. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let it cook so the potatoes can get done. But these don't get done fast because they cook really fast. So, and that's another reason why I like them. But yeah.